Amazing facts about Scandinavia. Get ready to be amazed as we take you on a journey through this fascinating region. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that Scandinavia is home to the Northern Lights? This mesmerizing natural phenomenon lights up the night sky with vibrant colors, creating a truly magical experience. Scandinavia is known for its stunning landscapes, and one of the most breathtaking sights is the fjords. These deep, narrow inlets are surrounded by towering cliffs and offer a picturesque backdrop for any adventure. Scandinavia is famous for its love of saunas. In fact, Finland alone has over 3 million saunas. It's a popular tradition to relax and unwind in these steamy rooms, providing both physical and mental rejuvenation. Did you know that Sweden is the birthplace of IKEA? This iconic furniture store has become a global sensation, offering stylish and affordable home furnishings to people all around the world. Scandinavia is home to some of the happiest people on Earth. Denmark, in particular, consistently ranks among the top countries in the world for happiness. The secret? A strong sense of community, a healthy work-life balance, and a focus on overall well-being. Norway is home to the world's longest road tunnel, the Laerdal Tunnel. Stretching over 15 miles, this engineering marvel takes you through stunning mountain scenery, making it a must-visit for any road trip enthusiast. Scandinavia is a food lover's paradise. From mouth-watering Swedish meatballs to Danish pastries and Norwegian salmon, the region offers a diverse and delicious culinary experience that will satisfy any palate. So there you have it, 7 of the craziest facts about Scandinavia. We hope you enjoyed this journey through this incredible region. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.